Workflow recipes. Within the Workflow Builder, you have many options for getting started in creating a new workflow. You can start from scratch with a blank slate, you can import steps from an existing campaign, or you may use a recipe from the list of pre-made templates that we've created for you. The recipes allow you to use and customize templates that already exist. This can save you time and help you work more efficiently. If you use a recipe, you can still customize it by adding or removing features as you like for your specific use case. We have many recipes available. Let's take a look at some of them now. Appointment confirmation and reminder and survey and review request. For each new appointment, send a confirmation, send reminders, survey the result, and if the result was positive, send a review request. Appointment confirmation and reminders. Appointment confirmation and follow-up reminder. Auto missed call text back. If you miss a call from a lead, reply to them automatically and notify the assigned user to get back ASAP. These are just a few of the examples of the recipes that we have available. As you can see, there's an entire list for you to choose from. To use a recipe, simply select the one you wish to use, which will highlight it in a purple color, and then click Create New Workflow, the button on the top right corner. The template, or recipe, will then load into the Workflow Builder. You can make any customizations or edits that you wish to add. Click Save and be sure to toggle the workflow from draft to publish mode in order for it to function. Again, keep in mind that you can make any edits or customizations to the workflow recipe that you use. Don't forget to switch it from draft to publish mode when you're ready to use it and save any changes along the way, and then the workflow will start working for you. Congratulations, you now understand the workflow recipes.